Hi there, this is the time for class project. You learned lots of things from last few lessons, and as this is our first class project, you have to make this image background blur. You just have to keep this first yellow taxi transparent and rest of the background you have to make blur. So this is your first homework. And you can use this image, and you must have this image inside our exercise file so you can use it. And if you don't want to use this image, you can use your own. But once you complete this class project or once you complete this homework, don't forget to share with me. Along with this course, I have given one Word file and a PDF file about the class project. So let me show you. So this is the PDF file, and we have the description about the class project. As I was saying, that once you complete your homework or once you complete your class project, don't forget to share with me. So you can share your output of class project in our project section or in our assignment section, or you can write a comment in our project video along with your work. I mean, you should have to use the output file in JPG format. You can post your work which you worked in class project, or you can tag me on social media through Facebook or through Instagram. Okay, so here is our description about the first class project, and name of our first class project is make background blur. So let me describe you about the project one, make background blur. So at first you have to use image. So you can use image which we used from our exercise file, or you can get your own image, or you can get a new royalty free image from unsplash.com. Actually, unsplash.com is one of the nice site I found in internet for using royalty free. You must have to try using royalty free image, because if you want to reuse the image and if you use a royalty free image from unsplash.com, then you will not have any legal issue. Okay, then you have to duplicate the layer. Once you open the background layer, or once you open an image, then you will get a background layer inside your layer panel. So you just have to duplicate the layer, and then we can go for selection. So you just have to select the new duplicated layer, and you have to use the quick selection tool, and you have to make selection of your subject. So if you use the image which we used in our exercise file, if you use the yellow taxi image, then the subject will be the first yellow taxi. So you have to make a selection of first yellow taxi and then add a layer mask. So after make a selection, you have to create a layer mask from the layer panel, and then you have to convert for smart filters. So after create a layer mask, you just have to convert that layer mask into a smart filter, and you can go from filter menu, and then you will get this convert for smart filters option. And then you have to use the blur filter. So you have to select the background layer, and then you have to click on filter menu, and from there you have to click on blur option. Then you have to go for Gaussian blur option, and you have to increase the radius. Then you will make your background blur, and as output, save the images in JPG format. Okay, so this is my output, and I am really excited to have a look your output too.